Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about Laplace transform chapter. In this Laplace transform chapter, we have one topic, that is a multiplication by t. Laplace transform of multiplication by t. That is the topic. Okay. Discuss the statement of this multiplication by t. If Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 into d by ds of f bar of s. Once again read the statement. If Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 into derivative of f bar of s. By using this statement, we find these two problems. Okay, let us discuss these two problems. First one is find the Laplace transform of t into sin t. Same, it is in the form of Laplace transform of multiplication by t. Here consider as f of t is sin t, that is f of t is equal to sin t. Applying Laplace transform on both sides, we get Laplace transform of f of t is equal to Laplace transform of sin t. Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s. Laplace transform of sin t is in the form of Laplace transform of sin at, that is a divided by s square plus a square. Here a is equal to 1, we can written as 1 by s square plus 1 square. Therefore f bar of s is equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1. Therefore Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 into d by ds of f bar of s. Laplace transform of t into sin t is equal to minus 1 into d by ds of f bar of s value is 1 by s square plus 1. It is in the form of derivative of 1 by x, that is a minus 1 by x square. We can written as a minus 1 divided by x is s square plus 1, that is s square plus 1 whole square. Here s square plus 1 is a function of a function. Again derivative of s square plus 1, that is minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1 divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Derivative of s square plus 1, that is d by ds of s square plus d by ds of 1. D by ds of s square is 2s, d by ds of 1 is constant, that is 0. Therefore 1 into 2s is 2s, therefore 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Therefore the Laplace transform of multiplication by t, that is Laplace transform of t into sin t, is equal to s divided by s square plus 1 whole square. This is the required solution. Let us discuss another problem. Find the Laplace transform of t into sin 3t. Same, by using this statement multiplication by t, that is Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s, then Laplace transform of t into sin 3t, Laplace transform of t into f of t is equal to minus 1 into derivative of f bar of s. Applying this statement, we solve this problem. Okay, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to sin 3t. Consider as Laplace transform of consider as f of t is equal to sin 3t. Applying Laplace transform on both sides, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to f bar of s. Laplace transform of sin 3t in the form of Laplace transform of sin at, that is a divided by s square plus a square, that is 3 divided by s square plus 3 square, that is s square plus 9. Therefore Laplace transform of t into sin 3t, that is minus 1 into derivative of f bar of s, that is 3 divided by s square plus 9. Here 3 is a constant, take outside the constant, into d by ds of 1 by s square plus 9. It is in the form of derivative of 1 by x, that is minus 1 by x square, into derivative of function of a function, that is s square plus 9. Minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3 divided by s square plus 9 whole square. Derivative of s square plus 9, that is a derivative of s square plus derivative of 9. Derivative of s square is 2s, derivative of 9 is 0. 2s plus 0 is 2s. 3 into 2s is 6x divided by s square plus 9 whole square. Therefore the Laplace transform of t into sin 3t is equal to 6s divided by s square plus 9 whole square. This is the required solution. Prepare very well. Thank you.